Me never really fall. Swerve and a dip, swerve and a dip. Girl, turn your body, me never heard nobody.
I'll take a bullet for you just to prove my love. Only to find out you are the one holding the gun.
君は優しい子だよ。優しいただの子供だよ。だから何も恥じることはないんだよ。
Oh no. No. No, Charlie, no. That's no.
Здравствуй, опа, Новый год. Здравствуй, опа, Новый год.
Underestimate me, but then they turn their back and I'm like,
Sometimes things that look scary can be so beautiful if you give them a chance.
There is only one rule. Keep the lights on. Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. Oh my god. I won! I actually won!
Shiva, aren't you afraid of me?
No. Why do you ask?
Well, because of my appearance.
Well, I know you're different from me. But I'm not scared. Are you scared of me?
No, I'm not at all afraid.
Oh, good. Then we're the same. dragon puppet. If you haven't seen the first part, go check it out right now. So like in the last video, you're going to want to fold on the line. Then do the same gluing process, but like instead of doing it on the bottom again, do it on the top. But before you glue this next side, to make it easier, you could tape right now, like this side. And then glue the other side. Then once you have this, then you could just go inside and tape the other part. And by the way, I forgot to mention that like when you glue this other side, what I like to do is I like to go inside and press it down on the press it down with my pencil so it will stay. And I do the same thing with the tape. Then just tape the top. And then you finally finish this first part. So you can just put it off to the side. Then you can take the other paper thing. And it's the same thing as the last one, so I'll just skip ahead and I'll let you do it by yourself. But if you do forget, you can just go back to part 1 and then watch it again. Then once you're done both things, then you can go ahead, put one on top of the other, and then tape it together. Just like tape it on the inside right here. Then once you have something that looks like this, you can like color it and stuff. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah. Anyways, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to make this puppet. To get started, you might want to use a hard surface for this. By the way, don't mind my band-aid. And also, if you hear the background noise, it's just my fish tank. So you're going to want to get a piece of paper and fold it like this. And then just press it down. Then open it up and cut down the line in the center. If you didn't do like a very good job, it's fine because it won't really matter. Then depending on how thick you want this to be, you're just going to fold the paper like this as many times as you want. Like this. And then do it to the other one. Then take a glue stick and like glue along here. And then do it to the next one. Then you're going to want to take them and fold it in half evenly. Just like this. And then to the other one. Then you don't have to do this if you don't want to. But I do recommend it if you take like a big book or something. Or a couple of books. And then place it down and leave it there for a couple of minutes. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, I'll take it off now. So hopefully they'll be like flat like this. Then you'll just put these aside for now. Then you'll grab another piece of paper. Then get a pencil and fold the paper in half like this. Then flip it around so you can open it like this. Then grab one of these. Just kind of put your hand inside and like measure it. You're going to actually want to make this like a little smaller than your hand so it will actually stay on your hand. Like for example, my first ever dragon I made, I know it's really bad, but like, yeah, it's way too big for me. So yeah, just make it a little smaller. And then trace all around here. Then once you've done that, you want to draw like a little V at the top, like this. Then on both sides, you're going to want to draw like from the V thing all the way down. Then cut out the whole thing. Then once you've got this, then what you can do, if you have saved enough paper, you can just put it on like this and then trace it. Then if you want, you can like trace the lines from the V on the inside. And then just cut it out. Then just open it up and then cut these two in half. And do it to both of them. And then you could just trace like that. Then get one of these and just open it up. And then get one of these and fold on the line. Like this, and then glue like this part on both sides. Actually, an easier way is if you just glue along all the way over here, but just on the bottom. And then just put it like that and then close it like that on both sides. Then you should have something that looks like this. Then you can just tape along this part to make sure it's secure. Then flip it over and tape these parts. I hate to do this, but come back for part 2.
First, grab a plate. I'm using a paper plate. I know they're bad for the environment, but I'd rather put a gun in my mouth than do another dish. Next up, the bread. I ran out of the good pieces of bread, so I have to use those weird end pieces. Not ideal, but we'll make it work. Next up, grab your peanut butter. I don't currently have the top to my peanut butter because I'm using it as an ashtray. Now that you got your peanut butter, grab a utensil and start spreading. I'm using a plastic fork because, like I said, I refuse to do dishes ever again in my fucking life, and I ran out of plastic knives. I know some of you in the comments section would complain about me using plastic, but I bet you wouldn't say that shit to my face in real life. If this shit ever ends and we go outside again, I dare you to step up to me in the street. Try me! Try me! Step up, you fucking pussies! You think I'm fucking right? There you have it, the perfect peanut butter sandwich.
We're rich. We're the rich.
This white to make the sliver. Now make the tooth. Paint it yellow, add some black. We need many teeth. Stick them all here. Kinda scary. Draw 2 lines of tongue. Cut. Okay. Put the skin tags. Take some black to make it dirty. Done the tongue. Now sketch the dragon. Like this. Paint the colors. Blue for the jaws and horns. Black for all the face. And to go liner. Purple for the eyes, marker next to the pupil, and to the corner of eyes. Some white sparkle dots here. Cut the scissors. Ta-da! Extra 2 fins. Now stick them to finish. Light for eyes. Fix it here.
I came here to make one thing fucking clear. I'm a icon. Just wanna cause a little entropy. Well, I got no good intention.
Switching sides.
Preocupação elite, bota soca, 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 sem nem ter preocupação elite, bota soca, 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 soca.
Angela! I can call you Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Aw, I'm a little hurt. Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
I could be a little nasty, I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little rocket, freak, snap, treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. Hotness, bitch, snap, rocky original. Make on me and American.
You're wearing makeup,
So are you.
but you're a man.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it.
With a hat full of trucks, trunk full of bango, car full of fashion.
Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it.
I could be a little nasty, I'm a stone cold nasty. I could be a little rocket, freak, snap, treat me like an animal. Fuck on me and eat me like a cannibal. Hotness, bitch, snap, rocky original. Make on me and American.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it.
Oh, no. No. No, 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 Charlie, no, no, no. That's, no.
I hear a sound. See them in the dark. I know there's someone there. Why don't you believe me? Maybe you're right, but I heard a creak. I'm always quick to rage.
they do in Texas, please. For the love, don't keep me raising, baby, stay with me.
I love it, let's get intuition, play the card with Mr. Star. Head up the hips, but hold up, play the world is on his heart. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Oh, 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 oh. I'll get him high, show him what I got. Carry mine, now he can read my poker face.
Since you got me like nobody.
Hey boogie oogie bam bam, let's go body body boom boom. Hey boogie oogie bam bam, let's go body body boom boom.
Someone's mad. Go cry about it, bitch.
Damn son, these bitches want some. Gadagadi, gadagadi, gadag, gadagadi, gadagada. Oh, what? Help me. I've been married a long time ago. Where do they come from? Where do they go? Where do they come from? Tonight.
Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Give me ice cream, bitch. Give me ice cream, bitch. Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Holy mother, it's an ice cream truck. Give me ice cream, bitch. Give me ice cream, bitch.
Two, one, go!
Video game lover, we should with each other. I said, video game lover.
It looks like I'm best and you're the worst. Here it comes.
I came here to make one thing fucking clear. I'm a
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
Switching sides.
Zaikin, do you speak English?
Sure.
You're starting to look really weird. Oh yeah, your face is out of place and I can't make you out.
Show times are on the hour. Not a moment before and not a moment later. I'm sorry, but there was never enough room on this stage for both of us.
Oh, I guess you wanted action. It's not working.
Show times are on the hour. Not a moment before and not a moment later. I'm sorry, but there was never enough room on this stage for both of us.
Oh, I guess you wanted action. It's not working.
Take off our clothes by the fireplace. Sexy, yeah. She was just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
You will find midnight strangely empty because when you call my name, there will be no answer.
Do we just sit here forever? Well, kinda, unless Bebo shows up. What the hell is Bebo? Guys, look! Bebo! No! Ah! Oh,
Night, then the rain opened up the sky to get one last kiss. I love you like an alcoholic. One last kiss. I love you like a statuette. One last kiss. I need you like I need a broken leg.
Ela fé quando ela se cai.
Shining down on me. Moon, tell me if I could send up my heart to you. So when I die, which I must do, could it shine down here with you? Just my love.
Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. Oh my god. I won! I actually won!
Sir, would you rather have $100 or a mystery gift? You want $100? Okay, here you go. Let's see what you missed out on. Wait, you missed out on the phone! Dude, I'm sorry. It's just how the game works, man.
I could finally leave! Martha, I'm coming home, sweetie! I'm back in the fucking building again!
Thinking of daisies, got 1, 2, 9 quarters in my pocket. Scanning like the rolling clovers in my market. Untied laces, yeah, just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. You fucking serious? What do you mean you don't know? You are the reason why I even like this in the first place. You mean to tell me you don't have a fucking record of all the times you cut me open, took me apart, and put me back together? You didn't even bother to keep track of anything?
She was a fairy.
Vous êtes des animaux.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
Hungry and bored. I can tell that your drinking eyes never open. I am say somebody will die, and I hate hoping.
My fucking mulch. I am going to commit third-degree murder if you don't. Give me my mulch. Give back my fucking mulch before I ate you. Give it now.
It's too late.
Я прошу, останься до утра. I love you, Саша.
Я тебя так же.
Ты ведь хочешь?
Даже очень.
Hey yo, so I know a lot of you know me as a puppeteer on TikTok, but I'm actually a ferret. So I started a new account, like, today. So, this is the account. If any of y'all can follow it, that'd really be appreciated. I really want to be a Therian idol on TikTok, you know? So, thank you, okay, bye, love.
Я прошу, останься до утра. I love you, Саша.
Я тебя так же.
Ты ведь хочешь?
Даже очень.
I love you, Саша.
Я тебя так же.
Ты ведь хочешь?
Даже очень.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. Thought I found a way.
Come da porta picchita va bene, se tu la parla piezza americano, quando si fa l'amore sotto la luna, come da bene in capo di I love you, papà l'americano.
Would you let me, baby, lose on losing dogs?
Car crash! Glass shattering! Good Lord! General commotion! Baby crying! Wah! Wah! Yelling! Police sirens! Wee-woo! Wee-woo! Helicopters! We're reporting live! Explode!